Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. We are looking at the C major scale and its modes, and we are looking particularly at how we can construct a 4-note per string C major scale and create some templates that we can use to create other scales and their modes. In other words, we are creating some movable shapes of the C major scale and its modes. The modes of the C major scale are the C Ionian mode, the D Dorian, E Phrygian, as you can see there, and F Lydian, G Mixolydian, A Aeolian or A natural minor, and B Locrian modes. So we're creating these ones from the chromatic scale, and we are particularly using the 7-note per string chromatic scale. So the first up there, as we are working in the key of C, the first thing that we need to do here is to create 7 notes on each string, starting from C. C, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we know from F sharp we go to the next, which is G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go to the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can't. We are limited by the fretboard here. So what we do next is we're going to remove notes that do not feature in the C major scale, and these are the notes with sharps and or flats. Okay, so let's remove them and find out what happens. And then we inspect. That's the third stage. We inspect and correct anything that might not look okay there, because there, as we shall see, there are areas where you have to correct. So let's go there. Remove C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, C sharp. Let's remove these ones. These notes, we don't want them here. So this is the next step now, to take inventory. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. So this is the C major scale, and this is the C Ionian mode. So this is our first mode. Let's go to the second mode. We do the same thing. We start our chromatic scale. We on the note of D, the second note of D, D, E, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp. Now let's remove the unwanted notes, which are these ones here, these ones here, these ones here. I'll show you how we're going to deal with this one here, because this one creates a little anomaly there. Now let's take account of our notes and create and correct anything that might not be in place. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Let's see, there are 4 notes there. So we have to correct this one. We have to put our F back to there, and we create our 4 notes, because we have this. This happened because we had 2 semitones, semitone B and C, and semitone between E and F. Okay, so we got that, and so we have F, G, A, B. C is actually here, and then D and E. So this is our D Dorian mode. So it's correct as it is. If you want to play C, you can actually, because it's a unison here, you can actually put it here and play it. But for the sake of our explanation here, let's just leave it like this. You can put a C here on this note here. Now let's remove it for the time being. It's the same C. It's a unison. Okay. We'll see as we go when we start playing intervals. Okay. So this is the D Dorian mode.
It's 13 hours.
Mode. We go to the next one. Now, because we have run out of the fretboard. Let's start at the beginning now with the E mode, Phrygian mode. The E Phrygian mode is in the scale of C major and is the third mode. So we create a chromatic 7 not chromatic scale from E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's remove the unwanted notes. These are the unwanted notes here. These ones. These are the unwanted notes. Now this one we have to do a lot of correcting because of the you see what we'll do here. Now if you look at this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now B, C, D, E, F. It has gone there, so we put it back there. And it's the nature of this F. You remember when we started studying the fretboard, we did F, B, F, B, F, B. The nature of this, because there is a semitone behind it. And same applies to this C here. Because it's now 4 here, we have to put it back there. And now it's 5 here, we have to put the G back here. We're backtracking, and we have to put the D here. So we end up with this one: E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is our E Phrygian mode. So we've come up with the shape there. You can play that. Now we go to the next mode. The next mode, we start from F chromatic scale 7 note per string. So it's F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. So let's take away the notes that are not supposed to be in the C major scale. These are the notes here. These are the notes here with accidentals. We don't need these. Now let's take inventory F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So this is perfect. We don't need to correct anything in this one. This is the C major scale and is the F Lydian mode. We go to the next mode, which is the Mixolydian mode, the G Mixolydian mode. So we run our 7 note per string chromatic scale from the key of G. We start from G, the note of G, and let's check off what we don't need here: G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. So we take away all these notes with accidentals, and yeah. Now after doing this, let's check. We need to correct, because there's a place where we have to correct. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now this F is out of place. We have to put it back there. There. And then we remove this. Okay. Therefore we have 4 note per string here. 4 note per string, G Mixolydian mode. Now, if we have taken the inventory there, we are happy because it's running from the 3rd fret up to here. You know, that's a big stretch there. Okay, so we go to the next mode. The next mode is the A Aeolian mode. So we run our 7 note per string chromatic scales from A. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's remove the notes that should not feature in the key of C, or this major scale of C. We remove that. you'll find you can see the idea now that there are places where a correction has to be done because of excess notes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. This F has to be corrected. We have to move it. It's a unison, actually. The same F. Now, having done that, it means this C has to be moved back to there. And having done that, it means this G has to come there. And we remove this D. So this is our A Untitled Mode. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's our shape there. All good to go. Now the final shape, we start from the B chromatic. We put a B chromatic scale 7 note per string, and so we take off the unwanted notes. Now let's look at it again. B, C, D, E, F. Oh, there's an anomaly there, so F has to come here. Remember, it's the same as the FB, 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 which we saw in the in this mode here, this second, the E Phrygian mode. So where FB exists, there has to be a problem. So we have to correct it. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh, sorry, we went into the Aeolian mode. That's Aeolian mode. Let's go down to the Phrygian mode. So it's B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. C has to be corrected. Let's go there. Now, C, D, E, F, G. G has to be corrected to come here. C, A, B, C, D, D has to come here. We're correcting it, and A has to come here. And we remove the E. So we finally have our B Locrian mode, which is B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Now, it's now 4 notes per string. This is good for stretching. I like this F, G, A, B. Stretching your fingers, especially down here. If you play it down here, this F here, F, G, F, G, A, B. Yeah, it's quite stretchy. So thank you very much. These are the 4 note per string major scales, and please practice them and subscribe, and I'll come with some more of these shapes. You find that if you study a lot of these shapes, you pick one that you can stick with, that can do for you, that works with your fingers correctly, or that your fingers can pretty much get used to pretty quickly. My name is Vukile. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.